million views on your first video in your newly opened channel.
Yes, it's possible now. Just look at this channel. Or this.
They are new. They only have a handful of videos. Still, they managed to get millions of views, or at least hundreds of thousands in their first 3-4 videos.
This is the new way to grow on YouTube in 2024 that only a few people know, because these creators have literally cracked the YouTube algorithm.
And the rest of the creators, still thinking that new channels take years to grow. Now, you decide which team you want to listen to, because in this video, we are going to tell you all the tricks and turns about the new way I mentioned.
The YouTube algorithm works like a ranking system. It uses data such as click-through rate, watch time, likes, dislikes, comments, shares, and other signals to see how much viewers enjoy a video. This helps determine how valuable the video is to the audience and affects the algorithm.
YouTube is a competitive place where creators try to grab the audience's attention in their niche. Even though bigger channels might have advantages, smaller channels with less than 1,000 subscribers can still compete.
The algorithm adjusts to help these smaller creators reach more viewers, which is why you might see them on your YouTube home feed. Simply put, if you put in the time and effort to make your videos better than your competitors, your content can rise to the top, even if you only have one video.
For example, The Market Whisperer posted just one video and got 2.5 million views. When they uploaded that video, they had 0 views and 0 subscribers. But in less than 6 months, that video reached over 2 million views, showing that even small channels can succeed on the platform.
This raises an important question. How can we beat the competition? And what specific parts of your video should you focus on? After looking at fast-growing YouTube channels, one key factor stands out: great ideas.
To beat competitors in a niche, think of better video concepts by remixing popular ideas from similar fields. For example, Justical found successful videos on YouTube with the vidIQ tool.
They made their own version of viral videos, like the $19 Fortnite card guy or YouTuber Nadia, using similar catchy titles and thumbnails. This method led to another hit video with over 1 million views. Successful creators focus on coming up with standout ideas, which helps them grow quickly.
But creating viral content is just one part of what works on YouTube. Another important factor is making videos for your core audience, a detail many new YouTubers often ignore, hurting their chances with the algorithm.
Let's break this down to avoid common mistakes. YouTube sees over 500 hours of videos uploaded every minute, making it impossible to check them all. Instead, YouTube sorts users into audience profiles based on their behavior, watch history, search terms, and interactions. For example, one group might watch football documentaries, while another prefers beauty tutorials. YouTube uses these profiles to recommend videos.
Many creators fail to understand that the algorithm performs best when a channel targets a specific audience profile. This approach helps the algorithm know exactly who to recommend the videos to. However, when creators make content for different audiences, it confuses the algorithm. So how can you avoid this issue and find your core audience?
First, identify your sub-niche. Instead of covering a broad topic like YouTubers or streamers, narrow it down to something specific, such as their downfall or biography. Next, understand your audience. Focus on building an audience profile. Ask questions like, who is your target audience? What are their age, gender, and location? What challenges do they face in your sub-niche? For example, if you focus on vegan desserts, issues might include finding ingredients, cost, or taste. Identify the results your audience wants, like easy, tasty, affordable vegan desserts for weight loss. Look into other channels your audience follows and the top videos in your sub-niche.
If you need help, use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find answers. This will help you better understand your audience, allowing you to create videos they want to watch, which will make it easier for the YouTube algorithm to match your content with the right viewers. If you want to learn more about vidIQ and TubeBuddy, you can watch this video.
While trying new ideas is fine sometimes, remember that sticking to your niche usually leads to success. Once the algorithm finds the right viewers for your content, you can focus on increasing watch time. The YouTube algorithm mainly cares about viewer satisfaction. When people watch a video for a long time or finish it, it shows they're satisfied. However, viewers can sometimes get lost in endless videos, especially on topics like conspiracy theories, which can leave them feeling disappointed and not wanting to return for weeks. This can negatively impact the algorithm.
For our purpose, let's say that increasing watch time equals happy viewers. To achieve this, concentrate on keeping your audience engaged. How can you do that? Never mind. Today, I am here to share a technique used by successful creators called the binge loop. This 3-part formula encourages viewers to watch more of your videos. It only takes a few extra minutes while writing your script, but can greatly improve your channel's overall watch time.
A great example for this is Ali Abdal, who uses a simple 3-sentence method to connect his videos. Here's how it works. First, create a smooth connection between 2 videos using 1 or 2 sentences. Ali often refers back to a moment of failure in his current video for a seamless transition. Then, tease the audience. Mention the most exciting part of the next video in 1 or 2 sentences to spark curiosity. Ali teases his own entrepreneurial failures.
You will find it very difficult to go on that journey on your own. It is a lot easier to go on that journey when you're with other people, to massively shortcut your process of getting there and to ensure that you don't allow the dips in motivation to completely stall your progress on this journey.
Lastly, give call to action. Here, you need to clearly tell viewers to click on the next video.
If you want a whole video where I break down the journey in more detail, you should check out this video over here, which is my honest advice to someone who wants financial freedom.
Along with this, effective planning helps you connect past and future videos. The binge loop keeps viewers engaged and boosts overall watch time, which the algorithm loves. This way, when a video does well, it shows that viewers are happy with the content. However, many creators make the mistake of changing their style instead of sticking to what works. Smart creators find a successful format and keep using it, allowing them to create valuable content that attracts viewers and increases profits.
Top YouTubers often use this strategy. They may start by trying out different ideas, but focus on the ones that perform well once they discover them. Mr. Beast or Ryan Trahan are great examples of this. Before 2017, Mr. Beast's videos were all over the place. But that year, in January 2017, when he uploaded a video showing himself counting to 100,000, he first went viral.
Similarly, in 2019, Ryan tried making challenge videos, and one of them went viral. After that, both of them committed to their style, which played a big part in their success. So, how can you find what works for your channel? Start by doing some research.
Choose 5 to 10 channels in your niche and look at their most popular videos. This will help you spot successful formats that they use repeatedly.
If a video performs much better than your usual content, think about how you can recreate that success. Instead of relying solely on your creative instincts, pay attention to how the YouTube algorithm responds. Don't stop with just one successful format. Keep searching for new ones. For every 2 videos that use established formats, try making 1 experimental video. But that's not the end of it.
There's another important thing as well, which we haven't talked about yet. YouTube authenticity paradox. Some creators, like Mr. Beast, make highly polished videos, but there are so many similar videos that they can lose their impact. On the other hand, creators like Sam Sulek gain popularity with raw, authentic content. This raises a question for new YouTubers. Should they write scripts for their videos or keep it real? While some creators do well with unscripted content, many may come off as fake without enough experience.
Most creators find it tough to have an engaging conversation without a script, but after looking at over 30 channels, I found that fully scripted videos with catchy hooks, interesting stories, and clear calls to action have higher chances to go viral in 2024.
But remember, the YouTube algorithm can be unpredictable. Just because a format worked before doesn't mean it will always succeed.
When you capture viewers' attention with strong storytelling, your channel can grow significantly. But do you know how to do that properly and in an effective way? If not, just click on this video to learn the art of storytelling and how you can keep your audience hooked to your video with the power of script.
Also, share your views in the comment section below. See you soon!